A potentially hazardous football pitch-sized asteroid is hurtling inbound towards our Earth. In total, 5 near-Earth objects will fly past between now and Friday, according to what NASA is confirming. Thankfully, none will hit us. The hazardous asteroid the size of a football field is on course for a close shave with Earth, a UK scientist said. This is asteroid 2008 OS7, meaning that it was discovered in 2008. It measures about 900 meters in diameter, and it will pass by our planet on Friday afternoon, although there is no risk of collision, as the scientists say. They are referring to the official NASA designation. Dr. Minaj Kim, researcher fellow, Department of Physics, University of Warwick, explained, 2008 OS7 is a very small asteroid whose orbit intersects with that of our Earth. It's been classified as a potentially hazardous asteroid, PHA. And based on information provided by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, this asteroid 2008 OS7 will approach our Earth at about 2:41 p.m. at a distance of about 0.01907 AU. That's about 1.8 million miles, at a velocity of 11.3 miles per second. Dr. Kim said we don't need to worry about it too much because the asteroid will not enter Earth's atmosphere, while this will still approach close to the Earth. There are millions of asteroids in our solar system, of which about 2,350 asteroids have been classified as potentially hazardous asteroids. The next significant approach to Earth by a PHA will be by the asteroid Apophis, April 14, 2029. I thought that was Friday, April 13, but anyway, April 14 they say here. The asteroid completed an orbit around the Sun around every 962 days, Dr. Kim explained, saying one of the most intriguing aspects of 2008 OS7 is its estimated diameter based on its luminosity and reflective properties ranging from 0.221 to 0.494 kilometers in size. It places it in the category of a small to moderate size asteroid, roughly equivalent to the size of a football field. Unfortunately, asteroids are generally too faint to have been detected by the current techniques and surveys, so it's very hard to see by our naked eyes. The only asteroid at all visible to the naked eye so far are Pallas and Vesta, having diameters of about 500 kilometers. NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, CNEOs, studies the orbits of all known near-Earth objects, predicts their close approaches with our Earth, and makes hazard assessments in support of the agency's Planetary Defense Coordination Office at NASA's headquarters in Washington. Near-Earth objects are asteroids and comets, which have orbits that bring them to within 120 million miles of the Sun, meaning that they can circulate through what NASA calls the Earth's orbital neighborhood. Most near-Earth objects are asteroids ranging in size from about 10 feet, a few meters that is, to nearly 25 miles across. A statement on NASA's website says the majority of near-Earth objects have orbits that do not bring them very close to our Earth and therefore pose no risk of impact, but a small fraction of them, called potentially hazardous asteroids, PHAs, require more attention. These objects are defined as asteroids that are more than about 460 feet in size, with orbits that bring them as close to within 4.6 million miles of Earth's orbit around the Sun. CNEOs continuously monitors all known near-Earth objects to assess any impact risks they may pose, and in total, 5 objects will pass close to Earth between now and Friday. Apart from 2008 OS7, we have 2024 BR3, which is 100 feet across, 2024 BR, 63 feet across, 2003 BM03, 120 feet across, and 2024 BJ03 73 feet across, and will all put in fleeting appearances. Of course, those with 2024 date and numbers have been discovered this year alone. This is by Steering McGrath on Express UK. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.